Hey, sorry about that. So it looks like Facebook is not working very well for us. So I'm just going to record a video and then post the video. So just for sake of completeness, I'm actually going to start over. So sorry for those who were on the live broadcast and then it just cut out. We've been having some problems with Facebook. So our sales tomorrow, we open up at 8 a.m. We go Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, half price on Sunday. I'm going to go through the sections that I already started. So we've got bunk beds, a large fat boy, beanbag, lots of games here, board games. You can see all the artwork, the shoe cubby, curio cabinets, nice, this it's beautiful dresser. But yeah, very nice dresser here. Very classic, kind of vintage look to it. Rocking chair. So a love seat with electric controls for going up and down. Then we have our two recliners. This one has controls to go up and down on. Let's move this out of the way. This is a brand new faux leather recliner here. Some rustic looking couch and spurs here. Not as much glass, but we do have some nice pieces here. Emerald looking. This desk. Oh, these are pretty fun. Should probably put this in the kids section. Goose call, in case you need one. Got this Amish chair. Leather, two cream. These are darker. I guess, it's about pretty neutral color, actually. We've got our pine. Oh, this is forgot to mention this on the live. Here's a Oaxacan wooden statue. It's very cool. That is an authentic piece there. Colors are just so vibrant. Some amber glass, oil lamps. We've got our holiday section, Easter, Valentine's, Christmas, lots of Christmas items as well. Got the oscilloscope, portable oscilloscope. This works, we plugged it in. It just needs new batteries, but other than that, it is ready to go for any electric hobby projects. We have these brand new chairs here. Lots of peripherals, a brand new, oh, sorry, this isn't a brand new, but a very powerful iMac. The cord ones. Solar panels. So camera equipment. Then I'll kind of move into the book area where I lost connectivity. So I was just kind of going through these. Just sort of back up and step back so you can see it. Some Japanese manga books. You can pause the video if you're looking at a certain title. I'm moving a little bit faster here. A lot of DVDs. And then the records are back here. A lot of Pink Floyd. Got some Led Zeppelin. Coffee table. Books. Okay, so then we will move over here to our center section. We have a lot of masks here if you need more masks to keep those colds out of your house. So almost a brand new Bernina sewing machine. Down here with accessories, the bag, you can also buy the bag separately. Thread. We've got a power washer, lawnmower, chop saw. We have this really powerful tilting table saw here. Bring some people. It's heavy if you want to move that. Belt sander, bandsaw here. Jet. This is also a jet dust collector here. Craftsman is this a tiller? Yeah, tiller. We have a full riding lawnmower with trailer. And then we have our stills. This is a complete set, 3-piece set. It's battery operated, lithium ion. So pretty great little set there if you're looking for more gas powered, not electronics, but leaf blower. Here's a electric powered chainsaw. Some more saws. Some tool chests. These are sanders. Another sander. And we have a whole section of comic books, lots of comic books. A smaller section of linen this time, but still some here. If you're working on a project. Some OSU gear, seat covers and a blanket. Oh, there's some nice chairs actually there. Beaver hat. Hats. Different luggage sets. Just kind of go through the clothes here. Shoes. The women's clothes. Let me back this out so you can see that. It's a nice velvet dress. This is the chef tax jacket. And lots of blue jeans here. What size are these? 18, so a mix of different blue jeans. All right. And then let's go into our tool room. Just do a quick highlight there. So we've got propane heaters, got an air compressor here. These work. Lots of tools, lots of hand tools, drills, nailers. There's a roofing nailer. There's a finishing nailer. These are Porter cable brand. A lot of vices. Scroll saw. Different grinders. If you need a grinder. Sanders. A good set of sleeping bags. If you're going to be going camping, you can stock up here. Nice small coolers. Actually, these are great. Some water jugs. Those are excellent for camping. Really comes in handy to bring some fresh water if you're out in the boondocks. It's a little trap. Got ladders, sort of tools, overhead lights. equipment mask for soldering. Here's a arc welder, AC/DC arc welder tool. Oh, sorry, power source here. Some of the tools here. Lots of light bulbs. If you need some light bulbs, extension cords. Lots of empty jerry cans. So these are all empty. There's no gas in them. So don't worry. We emptied all of those out. Some bottle jacks. Good handy thing to have in your car. Nice and compact. Fast and easy to use. So that's the tool section. And then let's go through the kitchen area. So we've got different dining sets here. This is a crate and barrel set over here. Some really nice Mikasa bowls here. Good for hearty stew. Le Creuset. This is a ceramic, sorry. And then we have this whole set of beautiful Polish pottery as well. Nice little storage cabinet. Here's our crystal, our glass. This is a really nice willow set here. I'll show that to you. There you go. And let's see the highlights here. We've got an Instant Pot. Got some blenders. Rice cooker there. This NutriBullet, brand new. Microwave. So a lot of entertaining wear for spring and summer. Got a crock pot here. Measuring cups. That is our kitchen. Oh, a nice little juicer up there. And then we do have washer dryer, 2 refrigerators over there. Let me walk a little bit closer. We have a lot of garden. If you're looking for a wheelbarrow or doing some projects in the garden, they're really great to have. We have 6 brand new hybrid memory foam mattresses. So they have springs. They're all vacuum sealed. You just open them up and they expand. We have quite a few beds and bed frames, queen size frame there. And I'll walk up to the front and show you the other ones too. Lots of storage containers if you're looking to get organized. And of course, reach out to us if you need some help with that. We'd be happy to help. And then this area, we have this really nice umbrella, large, keep that sun out when it finally comes out. Some great pieces to put around the house, the garden. The fire pit here, really in great shape, no rust or anything. Sometimes you find these just completely covered in rust. Lots of storage cabinets too, for the outdoor areas as well. Really nice patio set here. A large storage bin, resin storage bin, and then this is a whole other umbrella set. Let's see if I can, here it is. Here's a picture of it. That's kind of what it looks like. So it comes with the base and the umbrella. So that's the umbrella and the base. 3 different boxes. Lots of tools, garden tools. Another umbrella. And another set here. Outdoor set. I don't think this is not an outdoor piece. No, that's not an outdoor piece, but And we have it's a hybrid waterbed, completely working waterbed. Nice wooden dresser. And we have two bed platforms back there. Both, I think those are both queens. Let me double check that. This white chair. Let's see. Actually, this looks like a full. That might be a full. And then last but not least, we have a lot of great bikes. It's a really lightweight aluminum bike here, road bike. We've got these recumbent bikes here. These all come with cases, traveling cases as well. So they fold down, really compact, in great condition. This is a burly recumbent bike. So if you're looking to ease some of your bike's tension, recumbent's a great way to do that. Here's another Bike Friday along with a case, and then another recumbent here as well. So that's it. That's a wrap. That's what we've got for the Beehive. Yeah, let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. We've also got this 2000 Jeep Laredo 4-wheel drive Jeep Grand Cherokee. 4-wheel drive. It's got heated seats. It's got the hitch. We're selling this for starting at $5,000. It's in great shape. It's always been in a garage when stored. So come by the Beehive to check it out.